Soy tico porque llevo a Costa Rica en las entrañas, porque lloro cuando escucho una guitarra, cuando trema la marimba y con la puesta del sol. Soy tico y si me asomo a la ventana me cautiva la montaña y se me alegra el corazón. Soy tico porque siento las canciones de mi...
The air cam is just so much fun, and it's just got so much power, and you can climb out and you can take off and land in short places, and there's nothing like it.
A high level of stability combined with great low-speed handling make the air cam the perfect.
It's just great. You can see everything.
One of the goals in designing the air cam was to have very easy and simple single-engine performance. We were able to achieve this by keeping the engines close together and designing a very large tail section. And also, you have a simple airplane overall. You have automatic mixture control, fixed pitch props. If you shut an engine off, the propeller stops, and that really cuts down on the drag. At least on the land version, you have fixed.
If it loses an engine, you just keep flying. It's just so safe. You don't even think about it.
To show what a non-event it is. Okay, we'll throttle up on the left engine.
The other thing is, we certainly don't recommend that you ever try and take off on one engine in an air cam. I mean, if you have a problem with an engine, stay on the ground if you're on the ground. But the fact that we've demonstrated and we've shown the kind of performance that the plane's capable of taking off on one engine, it really shows you that this airplane is different from most other twins.
Fixed all the way back, keep the tail wheel planted. Get up to about 35, I'm gonna raise the tail. And I'm gonna hold her on the ground until I've got 55, and then into the air we go. And we're climbing out on one engine.
It's an exciting package. I mean, when you push those throttles forward, you're pushed back in the seat, and it's not uncommon for you to be off the ground in 3 or 4 seconds.
Okay, we'll do a short field takeoff here across the runway. Okay, we're going to climb up to 5,000 feet, and we'll perform a spin. Nose coming up. And there's the stall, full left rudder, full back stick. And in she goes. One turn, and recovery. Right on the nose on the airport.
We don't recommend that you go out and perform spins, But I think it's comforting to know that we have done some spin testing, and that when we spin the airplane, even at the aft CG limit, that it's easy to recover and it recovers quickly.
I bought it really because of the safety issue I felt that was there.
I do feel comfortable taking passengers in it. I'm very particular about who my family flies with and what they fly in, and I feel super comfortable with them in the AirCam.
I was able to take a friend of mine up for a ride not long ago on his birthday, and he's a pilot and he flies all sorts of different airplanes, but he told me it's probably one of the best birthday presents he's ever had.
I haven't taken anybody up who didn't absolutely love it.
Anytime I've ever taken somebody flying in the AirCam, they have absolutely loved it.
I'm sure I've taken over 100 people for rides, and everybody has, I have a word for it, when they get out of the plane, they have the AirCam smile.
You're just off idle, and you're burning an incredibly low 3.5 gallons an hour with both engines combined. And that just makes the cost of fuel a non-issue. It's not a factor with this airplane.
At the low speeds that I typically fly,
AirCam.
and the AirCam's a whole different experience. It's not about getting anywhere, it's the whole process of getting there. That's the fun.
Would I recommend an AirCam? Yes, absolutely. I do just about every time I take somebody up. All my pilot friends have a blast in them.
I would recommend this plane in a heartbeat, but it's not about flying fast, it's about smelling the roses while you fly. It's low and slow and gentle and beautiful.
There is nothing better to fly than an AirCam. You don't even think about when you fly. It's just so safe. I'd say it's the safest airplane in the world.
The AirCam truly offers a unique flying experience. So if you think that you might enjoy flying the AirCam and you haven't had the opportunity, come to the factory. Come fly with us. You won't be disappointed.